Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you another variation of rocking that I think you're going to love. Anyway, all you do is you give yourself a self high five, diamond cutter. You know what I'm talking about? Some of you know what I'm talking about. But what we're gonna do, so traditional rocking is like this. And all we're gonna do to change it up today, which makes a huge difference, is we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna make the diamond cutter symbol. Diamond Dallas Page, anyone? And we're gonna rock back and forth here. And what you'll notice by putting your hands together like this, you're going to be more highly aware of your shoulder blades. The muscles around your shoulder blades, your scapula, this turns them on quite a bit more. And there they are right there. So you just rock back and forth. And another cool thing you can do here is actually narrow take your diamond cutter and put hands over hands. And now it's still quite a bit different. And with my left hand back, it places more emphasis on my left scapula. And with my right hand back, it places more emphasis on my right scapula. So from the side, probably looks like it does from the front. So for regular traditional rocking here, all we're going to do is make the diamond cutter and rock back and forth here. And if we want to add even a little more still, we can put our hands in line and rock back and forth. And then we can switch, rock back and forth. Another really cool thing you can do here, whether you're in diamond cutter or staggered, is to rock in small circles over your hands. And again, this is just giving your shoulders and your scapula some good love right here, good attention. Helps them know where they're at, helps them know what they're supposed to do. Makes your shoulders more stable, mobile, stronger. Lots of good stuff here. And rocking does too, but this is just another way to add a little more of a challenge to rocking, to turn those muscles on more. Now, my friend Alexander Graf likes to take the diamond cutter and kick it up a notch, and you can. Take the knees off the ground and rock back and forth here. This, a little bit more demanding. And if you wanted to, you could take the knees off the ground in the staggered stance as well. And that is quite a difference there. What do you think about that, Abe?
Well, honestly, Tim, this is the best show I've seen in years.
So there you go. Abe likes it. So that is the new rocking pattern. It's not a pattern. It's just a new position, a new variation of rocking. So you're just taking your hands, you're moving them close together or staggered, and it puts more emphasis around the muscles around your scapula. Again, stable shoulders, mobile shoulders, stronger shoulders. Happy you. All right. Try that, give it a shot, let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.